What is a rooting hormone? Rooting hormone is just something you put on the stem to assist with stimulate the roots and assist with expanding your opportunity of effectively plant rooting. At the point when hormones are utilized, the root will grow more rapidly and be greater than the plants that don't have rooting hormones added. However, many store-bought products use various chemicals. If you to buy rooting hormone, then its link is in the description. Fortunately, there are 3 marvelous all normal things you can utilize that are basic and reasonable. Cinnamon homemade rooting hormone. Cinnamon works extraordinary as a rooting specialist and works similarly just as your commonplace hormone rooting powder. With the assistance of a little cinnamon powder, you can give your plants a speedy beginning. Here is the way to make your own homemade rooting hormone. In the first place, take about a tablespoon of cinnamon powder and put it onto a paper towel. Ensure that you are utilizing unadulterated cinnamon. Then, get the stems wet. This will make it simpler for them to adhere to the cinnamon. From that point forward, roll soggy stem closes in the cinnamon, covering them on the 2 sides. At last, plant the stems into crisp gardening soil. The cinnamon powder will help your plants produce more stems and keep growths from becoming on your plants. Pretty straightforward, isn't that so? Number 2. Aloe vera homemade rooting hormone. To begin with, take a leaf of aloe vera and place the leaf on your cutting board. Then, utilizing the littlest finish of the leaf, point it toward you. Cut into your aloe vera from the far edge. Utilizing a kitchen spoon, push from the finish of the leaf and push the spoon toward where you cut it. The pressing factor from the spoon will compel out the gel. From that point forward, put your gel into a cup and mix the aloe vera until the lumps begin to turn out to be more uniform. Ultimately, dunk your stems into the cup. Plant your cuttings.